Etching patterns, leaving its mark. The roots stretch deep, the earth's gentle sigh.
without the teacher prompting.
Lullaby sung
Is
to
it taking one more
the open sky. Oh, whispering pines,
because then there will be
sing me your tune. Caught in the rhythm of the stars and the moon. Teach me the language of rustling leaves, stories that linger on the breath of the breeze.
अन्त तल इन्फर्मेसन थिएन के भएको पनि सो विकास राई हुनुहुन्छ अन्त सोगेल लाचेनबा चाहिँ एउटा अब ब्याकअप पिआरटी रेगुलर
The dawn paints gold on the mountain's crown, while rivers whisper truths as they flow down. Their songs entwined with the trees that stand, knotted in time by nature's hand. Each echoing step on the forest floor opens a world through an ancient door. The silence alive, yet brimming with sound. In the arms of solitude, oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune. Caught in the rhythm of the stars and the moon. Teach me the language of rustling leaves, stories that linger on the breath of the breeze. Under the boughs where the shadows play, the wind hums songs at the break. Whispering pines, secrets untold, carrying tales only the forest holds. Night spills the velvet dark, etching patterns, leaving its mark. The roots stretch deep, the earth's gentle sigh, a lullaby sung to the open sky.
मैले बनाएको अन्त यो पनि मैले बनाएको अब यो बनाउँछु ल
Sing me your